Proper tags in your Etsy listing is one of the most important things you can do for your Etsy shop or your Etsy business. It is the reason why my Etsy store was able to generate over 53,000 sales in just under 2 years. And in fact, it became the #1 pet product store on Etsy as of today. It's the hottest store. All the other stores, even though they existed for a long time and maybe 10 years and they've accumulated more sales, they're selling a lot less because they're ranking on a few keywords. They're not ranking on those beautiful keywords, on a variety of keywords as I am. I'm able to condense the keywords. I'm able to organize them properly so that I get the best bang for my buck and I do it sooner than everybody else. So if you want to know how I put together, how I structure my tags in my listings, make sure to watch this video. If you're new to this channel, this is the kind of content you will get. So make sure to subscribe. Hi guys, my name is Vlad. Let's just get to it. I like to get to the point. I don't like to fluff it up, so let's jump on my computer. All right, so here we are. I just put together a basic list. It's not a full list. I just kind of copied just some few little details. I made up my own little list just so you get a better idea. I don't want to create a big full-on list and then do 13 tags just not to get you overwhelmed. But this, in the simple terms, I want to just show you exactly how to do it, and then you can fill in the rest. But one of the biggest mistakes that people make is they repeat certain keywords. They take up real estate in those tags because you only have 13. So they'll do, for example, in this case, we'll have bridesmaids shirts, right? Or t-shirts. Let's just say they did bridesmaids t-shirts, custom t-shirts, wedding custom shirts, you know, and then they keep adding the word shirt, which is, you know, that's a lot of space that you can put other words that you can rank for. What I do is I usually take the first 3 tags and I'm okay repeating a certain keyword. If there are a set of keywords that are searched more often, I will put those as the first 3. After that, I just condense keywords and never repeat a single keyword, right? There's no point for it to repeat. Because what Etsy does, it'll advertise, it's kind of like your title. It'll take the first 3 or 4 words and it will advertise on those first. So if you're running advertisement, or if it organically will try to rank on those keywords first. And then it will start to take little keywords out of your listing and try to mix and match together. And that's what it does with your tags as well. So if you want to get sales sooner, then take the first 3 tags and write it exactly how it would be for the high searching keywords. It's kind of what you would do on YouTube when you do tags. You want to put exactly what people are going to write. But then after that, other keywords you can start to put in because it can use that initial keyword, bridesmaids or custom or personalized, and take the other. So for example, let me show you. When you're looking at I sell dog collars, right? So by the way, if you need a dog collar, go check out my store. I have amazing dog collars. But I sell dog collars. Now I have the word dog collar, but I don't have the tag typed in collar like this because it's obviously misspelled. But they took my word dog, and other people are searching the collar with this spelling and they just put it together. They didn't actually take my full tag saying dog collar properly spelled. They just took one word out of my tag, as you can see right here. If we keep scrolling down, dog collar and leash set. I never used this combination of this big of a tag. They just taken out the word leash, they taken out the word dog collar, and they mixed in a mash. So it's okay to put keywords in tags that don't make sense. Let's just say we've done our research and these top 3 are most commonly searched together. So we're gonna keep that as the first thing. So let me actually see if that's gonna work for. Yes, it did. Perfect. And I actually like it when there's a lot of characters that are able to fit when you're using up the space. So it's not like you have like 5 characters left and you can't really come up with the word. That's fine. You know, I like it when it's all, you know, condensed. So we just repeated the word shirt and bridesmaids twice. So that's fine, but that's it. That's my maximum of repetition. So now after this, not a single keyword should ever be repeated. So for example, brides, babes, right? Let's just say that's going to be what's on the t-shirt. So we want to rank for that. So we're going to do gifts. We already used bridesmaid. So we're brides, babe. Let's just say if we do this, let's see if this is going to fit. It doesn't have to make sense. That's the biggest difference. Yep, it's perfect. So look at that. So we've done that. So maid of honor. We're gonna use that. We're not gonna reuse the keyword shirts. Now, if it can fit, sure. But if you can fit the word shirt, let's just say you're gonna. Let's say you can fit that. I would just try another keyword. Try a different. Okay, so it fits. So instead of the word shirt, I would just like pink or something. Pink. Let's just, again, through proper keyword, let's say we had a big list and pink was one of them. I would have done that. Maid of honor, pink. It doesn't matter. Bridesmaids, pink t-shirt. It's going to use this keyword. So we're actually doing really well in terms of using up that real estate. So wedding, custom. So we don't have the word wedding, and then we don't have the word custom. So I'll take that and, you know, and then maybe add another like blush or something. Let's just say that was part of our list. And that's why it's important to get a lot of keywords. Awesome. So we're doing really good on real estate. So, right, so we've done this. So for example, let's just take this. Look how much keywords we've now able to fit in, and we've only used up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tags. We've only used up 6 tags. We have 7 more tags, and we were able to achieve where so we used up some of the keywords repeated, but then we are able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different keywords we were able to cram into just 3 tags. And that's my biggest secret, is being able to properly, or with proper keywords, cram them into the tags following the 3. So for example, when we go, let's just say when we go on personalized shot glasses. What was intriguing to me is this one right here that has 2 photos. You're thinking they're making the most sales. It's actually not true. This one here makes a lot more sales than this one. And I was able to, by the way, through looking at the reviews, how often they got the reviews, you can pretty much tell. But look at the difference between this listing, and we can see this in the title. The title works almost the same way. Now, you want to be, because customers can see this, you don't want to do where you're cramming in a lot of keywords, because when it don't make sense, they kind of confuse and they bounce out. But look at this. So birthday shot glasses, birthday gift, birthday party favor, birthday shot. So they used up a lot of real estate using the word birthday, and then they used a lot of real estate using the word favors and the word glass 3 times, right? So they're using up a lot of space repeating certain keywords. And so though it's ranking on the top keyword personalized shot glasses, this one here, when it's literally like what, 7th down the line, look at the variation of the keywords. There's glass maybe 3 times, and party, the word party, and that's about it in terms of repeat. Oh, maybe gold. But what happens is there's a lot more variety in this keyword, and looking through the reviews, they get a lot more sales. So again, make sure you do proper keyword research. And then once you've done that, make sure you organize first 3. It's okay to repeat. Just do the highest ranking keyword set. And then after that, make sure you don't repeat a single word, because real estate in these tags is premium, and you want to sell okay on a lot than really good on just one. Also, what that does is you're very vulnerable if you're ranking on 1 or 2 keywords, or smaller spectrum of keywords, because if you rank down, then your sales all of a sudden disappear. But if you're ranking okay on a lot of keywords, you have a lot more stability, and that will create stability in your business. If you do that on 100 or 200 different listings, that'll create a lot more stability, and you'll be spanning across the Etsy platform and not just sticking out on a few keywords. Hopefully that content was useful, and if you did like it, make sure to subscribe. Comment in the comments section if you have any questions. I love to answer you guys' questions. And that is it for today. I'll see you next time.